Philippines, Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
First of all, I would like to thank God for this another opportunity in my life that I never imagined that I'm back.
Yes.
And to PBC Promotion, TGB, and especially to all Himan, to all the organizers, to all the media and fans. Nice to see you guys again. And to the boxing fans all over the world, thank you for accepting me again as a boxer. And I hope that this July 19 can entertain you guys for this our performance with Mario Barrios. I want to say thank you to his family also, and to my team Pacquiao. You're live again. And to all the other cards, we must do something in our training camp so that we can give a good fight to the fans, and the fans will be happy on that in that night on July 19th. So all I can say is God bless everyone. This is our job to entertain the boxing fans. So we must do our best to give a good fight. And what I'm doing right now, I can't believe that Manny Pacquiao from 90s. I started my career of professional boxing in 1995 until now. So amazingly, that's a blessings from God. And the fire, the determination, eagerness to train hard, to work hard. Even now, I'm enjoying working out hard, like running the mountain, working out in the afternoon, like amazing. Not all the fighters has this feelings. This is favor, blessings from God, I believe, and the strength. Can you imagine that I've been through all those big fights in my life, but I'm still here. Manny Pacquiao is back. So thank you to all of you for believing Manny Pacquiao and full boxing industry. Good luck to all of us. Thanks.